Here we go on this race. On this way, we'll give you some scores. Update. In the boys' sixth grade.
Grayson, keep it up, keep it up!
Good job, Grayson!
Go, Grayson!
This wouldn't be our race.
Here comes
Yeah.
McCall.
Dude, I'm
They
trying to.
picked up
She
quite a bit
doesn't.
on that backstretch.